The AMP biological system has kept attracting investors who use the platform to look into great opportunities in its environment, such as the crypto market and NFTs. This is why we are continuing to track the crypto value developments of dynamic activities, such as the AMP value expectation as a tough year for speculation markets. Central financial expert Dr. Shane Oliver looks ahead to 2023 and explains why there's room for hope. SoundCloud, Spotify, Google, and Apple's digital broadcasts were put on Bitstamp on January 7, 2022, and Vault, a bank for digital currencies that lets AMP holders exchange, borrow, get, and save AMP, started on that same day. Due to how the market is right now, the Vault management team also ran into cash problems. Digital currency companies expect that many customers will ask for their money back, which is why the value of digital currency has dropped. Market is not an isolated case. For a few crypto-based trades, even the big ones are participating. What's the future for AMP as an automated guarantee? Token AMP can get any kind of resource clients want to move, like electronic payments, government-issued money credit transfers, and proceeds from property sales, according to the AMP site. Exchanges are protected by a process called marking. The current price of AMP is $0, and it has a 24-hour trading volume of $7,488,676. As of right now, AMP is down 4.08% in the coin market cap rankings. Crypto AMP digital money is an Ethereum-based digital coin that is guaranteed to get exchanges and decentralize the risk of resource movement into centralized finance. It is another digital cash in the crypto market that gives a quick and flexible connection point for clear collateralization through a set of guarantee parts and security directors. Using AMP, outside groups can quickly set up exchanges for different resources. Cipher AMP insurance parcels are meant to back up accounts, exchanges, applications, and balances that can't be disputed on the blockchain of Ethereum. Guarantee managers are smart contracts that can be locked, given, and redirected to help value transfer activities. For example, a client can stake AMP tokens to make sure that money can be traded. No matter what part of the agreement it is, advanced payments, cash trade credit payments, and property deals are all part of the agreement. Tyler Spalding, one of the company's main backers, said that the company is increasingly using its wallet service and giving more focused software solutions to its trading partners. The company already works with organized stations like FlexiCoin that use its services. Gemini Sushi Uniswap and many more than that. AMP token backing is a huge range of uses for protection. It also brings up the idea of predefined parcel methods, which could allow new features like guarantee models that can be marked without leaving their original location. However, the DeFi market has recently seen a recovery rally, but the AMP token hasn't caught on, and it's still going down. The AMP token has been going down since February, after claims by a New York group, and it's still trading at a mixed price. So, AMP's price is likely to keep going down over the next couple of weeks. If you want to dive deeper into AMP's current price pattern, you should look at our in-depth technical analysis to help you come up with a good way to make money while the market is unstable. AMP value expectation 2023 is per AMP cost prediction for 2023. A bullish pattern is expected, which could lead to a cost of $0 at its most extreme. The base value is meant to be $0, and the average market price is also expected to be $0. The new things that happen and each update and value expected 2024 for 2024 could change how much this digital currency is worth. The AMP cost is supposed to go up to a maximum of $0, with an average figure cost of $0 and a base cost of $0, assuming, 2. that AMP builds relationships with big blockchain networks. Financial backers might get easier access to the token, which could increase its use and value on the market. Every 2025, the AMP value prediction is for 2025. As blockchain-based apps become more popular, AMP could see a big price increase. Our AMP token price prediction is that the highest price will be 1 cent, the lowest price will be 1 cent, and the average price will be 1 cent. The bullish run for 2026 AMP is likely to get stronger. Based on what we think the price of AMP will be in 2026, the most it will cost on the market in the next few years is 1 cent, standard price of 1 cent and average market price of 1 cent. Our prediction for the price of an AMP token in 2027 is that it will cost at most 2 cents, on average 2 cents, and at the very least 2 cents. The smaller fees, ease of use, protection, and faster transactions that come with AMP could add to a cost. Based on our AMP price prediction for 2028, the price of AMP might change for at least 3 cents in 2028. As one of the best performing digital coins, AMP has a maximum price of 4 cents and an average price of 3 cents. Its price could go up in the future if it becomes more famous, which is likely. According to our AMP prediction for 2029, this is what we think the cost of AMP will be in 2029. AMP will trade at a maximum price of 5 cents, which is a significant increase from its current price. The digital coin is expected to keep a usual trading price of 5 cents and a base price of 5 cents. Our AMP cost expectation for 2030 shows that our AMP value estimate for 2030 is the same. AMP is expected to reach a maximum price of 9 cents after that. AMP is also expected to have a huge rise in the price support level, which will lead to a base price of 7 cents and an average market price of 8 cents. AMP value expectation 2031. Based on what we think the AMP cost will be in 2031, we expect it to keep going up until it reaches 13 cents, which is the most we can expect it to cost. The price shows a big increase over the current rate. The token has a lot of loyalty and could bring in a lot of customers, which could make the base price 11 cents and the average price 12 cents. High estimating AMP value expectation 2032. Our AMP cost forecast for 2032 shows a huge hole in the cost outline because AMP is expected to have a completely bullish year with a lot of possible game changes. Keeping this in mind, the highest price of AMP is expected to be 19 cents in 2032, with an average price of 16 cents and a base price of 16 cents. Investors seem to like AMP's creative way to deal with the speed versus security problem. While the coin did well in 2021, there is no guarantee that this success will continue, so you should always do your own research before buying by using collateralization. AMP has made a fast and safe way to do business. Since this agreement is clear, AMP could become a popular place to do business. This year,